Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to ask the Bart AI what is money, and he's going to answer for all of us. There's a lot of people asking the same question. A lot of people every single day want to get more educated about the topic, so let's go over it. Money is a fascinating concept with surprising depth to it. At its core, it's an any item of record that people widely accept as a payment for goods and services, also as debt. Here are the three functions of money: medium of exchange, unit of account, and store of value. Ideally, money retains its purchasing power over time. In the previous video, guys, I gave you a very good breakdown since 1929 how much $1 lost of its value up to these days. You want to make sure you watch the previous video as well. The second function of the money is the unit of account. Money acts as a yardstick for measuring the value of different things. It's easier for us to know when we exchange things with others how much we give and how much we get, right? And last but not least, medium of exchange. This is the most basic function. Money allows us to avoid situation in which everyone might feel that they didn't get the good deal by simply accepting the exchange between one or another. Imagine trying to trade potatoes for a haircut without money, right? It's hard really to find out what is equivalent to what you actually give. Next step is forms of money. We have the fiat money, which essentially is the money that you everyday using in your hands. Commodity money, historically things like gold, silver, even salt at some point was considered a very strong commodity. And of course, cryptocurrency. I like how Bart AI is upgrading the history as well. So how you actually understand the money and why understanding of the money impacts your life, right? Why this is important. Money isn't just about buying things, it plays a crucial role in shaping societies and economies. Do you know why that? Because think about how many countries around the world can brag that their currency is used worldwide. Think about it. How many countries can have that their currency is very strong, very important, doesn't lose value, right? This is why this is very, very important. So understanding money, its complexity can help us navigate the world and make informed decisions about our finances. This is why you understand while people, as much as they don't like particular, let's say, countries or economies or in political situations, they still wanna have majority of their wealth attached to particular currency, majority of their investments to be in particular country. This is why diversification, which we will cover in another video, is very, very important. But starting from the basics, understanding the functions of money, understanding why the money has different forms, as we went through the fiat money, the actual cash everyday in use, we have the commodities, the silver, gold, the precious metals, right? And the cryptocurrencies as of these days. And of course, a clear reminder about the functions of money. Three important functions: medium of exchange, unit of account, and store of value. This is what makes the money the most desirable thing around the world. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.